All right, let's go straight across to my colleagues who are on the ground right now. We have Gopi and we also have Riyanka joining us live this morning. And a very unfortunate incident. I want to go to Gopi first because a lot of the people who were injured have been rushed to the LNJP hospital where my colleague Gopi is. Gopi, just take our viewers through what's the latest coming in after that unfortunate incident which took place last night.
Well, Shivangi, if you talk about LNJP hospital, we are standing right outside the LNJP hospital, and as you can see, visuals speak for themselves. There is heavy police deployment, and what we have learned, the official number of deaths is 18, has risen to 18 now, while 15 were brought dead at LNJP, 3 were brought dead at Lady Hardinge, which is another hospital based in Delhi. While talking about RML, 5 postmortems have been done in RML, while 10 postmortems have been done at this very hospital, LNJP. Yesterday night, we saw VIP movements as well. We saw Delhi LG VK Saxena was here along with the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, while the former Chief Minister Atishi, the acting Chief Minister Atishi, was also here later at night, and there were VIP movements constantly going on here at LNJP. 15 are also feared to have been injured, while it is likely that there might be more numbers of injured in other hospitals as well. So this is what we are picking up from LNJP. Back to you, Shivangi.
All right. Also, we have with us Riyanka live from the Lady Hardinge Hospital. Riyanka, many people injured in that incident. Do we have a number on that so far? And of course, a high-level probe has been ordered. This incident happened last night. Just take our viewers through what the latest is in terms of the updates we're getting for our viewers.
Well, absolutely. A very, very tragic incident that happened at the NDLS station yesterday late at night. And I'm currently standing at the emergency ward of Lady Hardinge Hospital, wherein we are given to understand that there were around 3 bodies which were brought in here. Initially, as per the initial sources, we understood that there were 3 injured who were brought in at this emergency ward, but eventually they succumbed to their injuries. So 3 deaths have been reported from Lady Hardinge College. Now, earlier the number at night was reported to be 15, and once the confirmed deaths were reported from Lady Hardinge, the total death toll has reached around 18. And the people who in fact have died in here at the Lady Hardinge Hospital, 1 male and 2 female. Amongst the 2 female, 1 is a child. Now, let me show you a bit of visuals here. You can see there are a huge number of stretchers that has been put in here from at the emergency ward. It looks like from the condition of these stretchers that there was in fact a hustle last night when the bodies or the injured were brought in here. As of now, there is not much of a movement at this very location of the Lady Hardinge Hospital, because we are given to understand that the post-mortem is going to be taking place of the 3 people who have succumbed to their injuries at the mortuary area. But what we can see that there have been several other developments on the other side from the railway station, maintenance work going on. On the other hand, the high-level inquiry investigation is also taking place on the sidelines. But as of now, we are yet to understand what is the number of injured people who continue to be at several different hospitals.
Right. Riyanka is getting us those updates. I want to go back to my colleagues, Gopi, once again joining us. Gopi, the situation at the New Delhi railway station looks like it's under control right now. To try to connect to our reporters who are at the New Delhi railway station in a while. But for now, if you could take our viewers through a short update on what the situation is looking like at the railway station. That is where this incident had happened yesterday night.
Well, in fact, Shivangi, what we are learning from our sources is that a meeting is underway to take stock of condition of what had happened yesterday. Just to tell our viewers that train from Prayagraj has just reached railway station, and as you can see, as one of our reporters is there already, you'll be able to see that there is a crowd of people again. But yes, last night it was unfortunate as 2 trains to Prayagraj were cancelled, and there were 3 trains simultaneously coming. So there were people and passengers from 3 trains together at 3 different platforms. So this particular condition to understand what had happened, what went wrong, a meeting is underway currently at the New Delhi railway station, where all the railway officials are meeting. They're going to take stock of this. While yesterday night we saw how Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav had also said that there will be special inquiry done towards this particular incident. They are going to understand why this happened and what are the reasons behind this mishap. Back to you, Shivangi.